Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the symbiosis in human. So we will understand only the human and what is the symbiosis. The symbiosis is the mutual relationship between two species of an organism. It can be helpful, harmful, neither helpful nor harmful. Like mutualism, best example is lichen. For example, for extra note, the algal and fungal relationship. Commensalism is one helpful only, but the other is neither harmful nor helpful. And parasitism is one helpful and other harmful. And one can get the benefit from other, but other will lead to infect or die. So that is why. Let's understand about the microbiota in our skin. The mutualistic relationship and symbiotic relationship in the skin is a barrier immunity, remember. So the invasion of the pathogen is impossible due to the barrier immunity. This microbiota in our skin basically contain a lot of bacteria and virus. Staphylococcus huminis smell in armpit can create, like, and this is the symbiotic because produce pheromone and some good smell. On the other hand, the parasitic bacteria will reside on the skin and prevent to invade through barrier immunity. And the mutualistic bacteria or commensals are also present. The mutualistic produce the defensin protein. It is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. Remember, this is the relationship which that is not move inside because the barrier immunity as a skin will not allow to move. Whenever the infection or the rupture of the skin will lead to immune system activation, like dendritic cell, immune cell, or Langerhans cell. The microbiota in skin protect the fungal attack on skin and other parasitic attack. Let's understand about the microbiota in our gut as a mutualistic, and they can get food to produce energy and use for the shelter in the large intestines, for example bacteria, but also give the uh, short chain fatty acid and vitamin to the human for health and for normal health. Like antibiotic kill the microbiota in gut, which that will lead to many complications like deficiency of vitamin K. So this is the mutualistic behavior. Commensals are present also, but the mutualistic. Like this is the resistant starch can be digested through a E. coli, and the methanogens produce methane gas. A short chain fatty acid basically produce and vitamin will absorb into the blood circulatory system and kill the microbiota in gut if the antibiotic consumed through orally, and deficiency of vitamin K and lead to constipate because the water balance through the bacteria also important. So that is why, or diarrhea can occur. The parasitism is also the relationship with the human, like ectoparasites, like lice and mosquito, and endoparasites. Endoparasites mean inside of the human body, like ectoparasite is the outside. On the other hand, this is the endoparasite like bacteria and virus, and the mosquito ectoparasite. It is fluid feeder like lice, and it will lead to entrance of the plasmodium as a parasite, lead to cause malaria and dengue if the dengue virus will occur. For short note, symbiosis occur in many species like plant and animals. It is used for the camouflage and cryptic coloration. Symbiosis is too much important for food chain and survivalship as shelter. Like the plant will give the sport to the green snake, and that is known as the camouflage. Let's understand about the imbalances of the symbiotic relationship, like the vaginosis is the yeast candida. In the vagina and uterine wall, the fungal attack due to the imbalance of the yeast cell lead to cause the vaginosis. And in this way, basically the E. coli are also present will lead to balance that yeast cells fungal cell. If the excessive growth will lead to cause vaginosis. Dermatitis is the another skin problem. In this way, the loss of mutualistic bacteria infection trigger, like whenever you will use more and more sanitizer or wash hand again and again, so that will lead to cause due to the OCD or other problem, other syndrome or other. So in this way, the fungal overgrowth can occur after the imbalances due to the sanitization, the sanitizer using our using, and this is the barrier immunity. Remember, and the hands, legs, neck will lead to cause itchy and rashes. On the other hand, whenever the rupture will occur in the skin will lead to barrier rupture, move the pathogen inside will lead to activate the immune cell like macrophage, natural killer cell, dendritic cell, monocyte, CD4, 8 cell, and mast cell activate will lead to cause the itching, allergic reaction. The infection to the cell, the inhibition of the disease due to the CD4 and CD8 and B cell, that is the adaptive immune cell. Thanks for watching.